This savory, hot and quick lunch takes only as much time to make as it takes to cook your rice. Delicious saucy ginger chicken served over rice with a fried egg on top. That's our pepper lunch. For 4 servings, you need 600 grams of boneless chicken. Ginger is the star of this dish, and we need 4 knobs of ginger sliced thinly like this. Peeling is optional. Next, we have 3 or 4 large cloves of garlic, and we're just going to smash them with the side of the knife. For this recipe, we're using 2 large onions, yellow onions, and we're going to chop them into squarish pieces like this. To add a little bit of heat, we have 3 to 4 dried red chilies that have been broken up like this. We need about 5 good-sized spring onion shoots chopped into 2-inch pieces. And we also need 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander or cilantro. And for the saucy ginger chicken, you need 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, as well as pepper. You can use white or black pepper. I'm using 1.5 teaspoons of white pepper today. And to make a slurry to thicken our sauce, we have 4 teaspoons of corn flour mixed with 3/4 of a cup of water. To cook the saucy ginger chicken, you need a large-sized wok, which is preferred, but you can use a pan as well. As the wok heats up, add in about 4 tablespoons of oil and wait till it's smoking. Add in the smashed garlic. Fry briefly, followed by the broken dried chilies. And we're going to fry this until the garlic turns golden brown. Immediately remove from the oil and set aside for later. To that oil flavored with garlic and chili, we're going to add in the sliced ginger. And now we're going to fry the ginger slowly till it becomes nice and aromatic. Wait till you really get a whiff of that ginger, and then you can add in the chopped onion and stir fry briefly just till those onions are softened and separated a bit. Now we can add in the chicken. We're going to turn up the heat a bit and stir fry that chicken with the ginger and the onions till the chicken absorbs some of that flavor and the chicken also starts to turn white. Keep tossing the chicken till there are no more signs of pink. This doesn't take very long. Once the chicken is uniformly white in color, we can add the sauces. Add in the oyster sauce, the light soy sauce, as well as the dark soy sauce, and the white pepper powder. Toss again, distributing all the ingredients uniformly. At this point, we're just going to add a little bit of water depending on how much gravy you want for your saucy chicken. Not too much. Bring it back to a simmer. To adjust the color as well as the flavor, add a little bit of thick dark sweet soy sauce or ketchup mayonnaise, followed by the corn flour slurry, and wait till it's thickened to your liking. Add in the spring onion shoots, stir through, and you can always taste and add a little bit more of that thick dark sweet soy sauce. Return the fried garlic and chilies at this point and simmer just briefly again. And lastly, add that chopped fresh coriander or cilantro, and we're just going to stir it through. So our yummy saucy ginger chicken is ready, and to serve we're going to fry 1 egg per person. This is to go on top of our rice, which is cooked and ready and steaming hot. We're going to put it in a bowl and invert it onto the serving plate. Pour over as much of that chicken and sauce as you like. And if you like, you can always add an extra serving of vegetables. Add the fried egg on top. And your quick, yummy, saucy ginger chicken pepper lunch is ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed this quick video recipe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.